Where are we going, guys?
Squishy hunting!
Where are we going?
Nino's.
I should have got that on video. That is hilarious. All right, we made it. We made it.
Mommy.
Go look at them.
I can't reach. I can't reach. It's a cherry squishy.
How are you?
Alright, Aisha got the 4 dumplings. What colors did you get?
Okay.
What color is this?
Purple.
What color is this?
Okay, open it up.
Alright, Boo. Show her what you got. Show them what you got.
So I got this crunchy mango, and then I got this giant pickle. BB Pickle plate. Now I'm gonna take this out. BB.
Alright, he also got the baby. And what did you get? What else did you get?
Got the first one here from the closest. It's so crunchy. Oh my goodness, I love it.
What'd you get?
Empty bank account.
I'll fun, you know.
I think this is our last time coming here, guys. But looks like the kids are happy.